Hi, hey, it's XJ, and this is part 2 of how to get into college in the United States, especially as an international student or a first-generation student, which I was both of, right? That's how I got into Cornell when I was 18. That's how I got into Columbia when I was 30. Okay, so here are the secrets. It's not a secret. This is how you should do it. This is the way you should do it, okay? So from the last video, you guys already saw you have to show the 1, 2, 3, 4 through the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom, right? And it is not a lot of words you can use. All of it combined is less than 2,000 words, which is how are you going to show who you are as a person through that, okay? So then, are you guys thinking that I'm going to work really, really hard and show who I am as a person in the personal essay, really pour my heart and soul into it, get even a coach, right? It'll be a beautiful essay, and I'll do everything else afterward. No, 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 you cannot do that, okay? Because that's how everybody comes to me. But then it's like, okay, look at the how list, guys. There's 5 things. You just spent all your time doing number 1. How are you going to do everything else, okay? Because, as I said, you have to show that you're a good student, that it wasn't because of your mom and dad helping you. You're going to be a good student at that school. If you're going to a top school, you have to show them you have a particular academic research interest that other people won't know how to do, okay? Then you have to show them you're going to help the world, you're going to help the community, and you're part of the diversity. What you have to do is this. You have to do all of that, okay? All of this together, okay? You have to do all of this together and with your college research, okay? You organize all of that together first. Let me move my face. My face is not important here, okay? The writing is what's important, okay? Yeah, let me get my face out the way, okay? You have to do that together with your college research, okay? And this video is going to be quick, so I'm going to give you guys one example. Let's say I am applying to MIT, okay? One of the top schools in the world. And this is a mistake a lot of people make. You talk about how amazing MIT is. You think they don't know that? They know that, okay? Everybody's going to say how amazing they are, okay? So that does not work. This is what you do. I want to do aeronautical engineering because I am very concerned about climate change, and the carbon gas emissions emitted by airplanes is a really big issue, especially because of international travel and also because of international commerce, and all of these goods have to be shipped by plane. So this is going up and up and up and up, okay? So this is really bad. And as a concerned citizen of the world, my solution is aeronautical engineering and electrical airplanes, because there's a thing called an ionized air engine, which is an electrical airplane. And so why do I want to go to MIT? Because at MIT is the only professor in the whole world who has managed to do physical experiments with an electrical airplane. So I want to study under that guy. That's how I want to go to MIT. And this is a research paper I've done on this topic. Here, let me show you. And also, that's so then if that's my story, right, that level of specificity, how do I present all of that? In the personal essay, I'm going to put in something that makes it look like I am the type of person who would care about the environment. I'm going to show my emotional side. In my activities list, I'm going to have a bunch of scientific research, right, and STEM-related things and research papers, okay? In my supplements, I'm going to talk about the specific MIT professor and the MIT course and the MIT internships that I would like to do and the research opportunity. In my additional info section, maybe I want to do, okay, not only am I going to do that, but I am also an athlete, I am also a musician, I am also culturally aware, so maybe I put in something more artistic in the additional info. Lastly, in the recommendation, yes, say you talked about all of those things you want to talk about, right? You do 2 things with the recommendation. 1, you make sure what the recommenders, you ask them for a favor, what they say will match what you wrote. Number 2, anything you left out, you tell the recommenders to please mention, okay? And for colleges in the United States, you will need 2 teachers, preferably 1 from STEM, 1 from humanities, and your guidance counselor. You guys need to get all of that done by when? Probably November if it's early, and December if it's regular. If you guys have questions about early or regular or anything about the U.S. college admissions process, please leave it in the comments. I'm going to do a whole series on how to get into college as somebody who is just starting for the first time on their own from scratch. Why? Because that's what I did, and that's what I want you guys to do. That's kind of why I started the channel, okay? So leave all the questions and comments. We'll get to you, okay? See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Have a good day.